Daddy, I told you tonight you will decide. Do I have a pianist there? Can somebody touch the keyboard for me? If you're on the keyboard, just touch any key of your choice. Touch C sharp for me if you're on the keyboard. Just touch C sharp. Do I have Igbos here? Igbo Kwenu? If there are no Igbos in your church, then your ministry have not started. Man of God, Igbo people, they are everywhere. The Igbos made me to believe that any song in this country can be converted. There was a time we used to hear songs. Touch the keyboard for me. How many of you remember this song? I have a dream, a song to sing. You know the song, right? When the Igbos decided to sing blues, Westlife leave market. Igbo people now wake in the morning sing, I have a dream, a song to sing. Daddy made to help me go one day with everything. I see me for the one day somebody go like Jesus of a fairy tale. Now I went to Alaba. I don't have time. I went to Alaba. I wanted to buy a CD plate. That is simple song. I told the man, I said, give me Amazing Grace. The man now said, Amazing Grace, Amazing Grace. And I sang the one you want to buy. So I sang Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound. The man looked at me and said, nah, get up. When he brought it, I wanted to go. He said, now come and hear this one. This time the man played Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound that saved a wretch like me. I said, God, this one is sweet. Give me. He said, now wait, hear this one. This time the man played Amen, 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 Amazing Grace, Amen, 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 Amazing Grace. I saw, God, this one is sweet. Give me. He said, now wait, there is another one. This time the man played Amen, Amazing Grace, Amazing, how sweet, Amazing the house. I asked the man, I saw, God, among us cities, which one is original? I said, now buy, all of them are amazing. Anyone you want to buy, buy and go. Ladies and gentlemen, before I leave, Daddy, by the grace of God, I'm happy to announce to you that this will be my last performance as a single man, because by Sunday I'm doing my traditional marriage. So I'm joining the people on the other side. For Nat Oliver that is still making noise, my brother, come, let me teach you some things. Now finally, before I go, how many of you know this song by Rokeli, Storm is Over? Play the real song for me. I was in a tunnel and Kurus. You know the song, Abi? Sweet song. I was enjoying the song until I traveled to Abuja for a concert. Bring it down a little bit. Enjoying the song. Oh. We did a concert in Abuja and they said all the choirs that are coming, nobody should sing native song. Everybody English. Trust Igbo choir. The Igbo choir now went behind and said, "Ne, in my any English song." One say, Amama Rokeli. There's a wish of the song. It says, Storm is over. Now, Igbo people don't know the line, but they go sing them. Igbo. So they came up stage. They started the song. They called the home like saying at the right time. You go here. Now, you hear the first person. Daddy me. Daddy me. Daddy me. Onyale Daddy me, daddy me. Now you have to like, listen. I was in a tunnel, I couldn't see the light. Hey, I know me tunnel, I found the light. Daddy me, whenever I look up, I found the sky. That person will shout, Jesus! I see my look up, I put on the sky. Now Igbo people will go straight to the chorus. You hear chorus. Storm is over. Daddy me, storm